My name is Father William McGuirk, and I'm the pastor of Holy Cross in Youngwood, Pennsylvania. We have great leadership in this little parish. The Finance Council was very concerned that we needed to renovate the kitchen. It was kind of collapsing. The Finance Council worked up a plan to ask the congregation to come up with money during the Diocesan Appeal, and my people came through so generously on all that money. It was really unbelievable how generous the people were. My Women's Guild have meetings here. My Knights of Columbus have meetings here. Summer Religious Ed is in here. Every time there's a funeral, if they want, they're welcome to have their luncheon down here. The Knights of Columbus have like breakfast once a month here for the people. We have storage again. We have new refrigeration. We've got a lot of very positive things, new lighting, etc. And so everyone's very proud of what the congregation did in just one Lent.
I go out to parishes all the time. I love being with those people, the people of our diocese. There's a lot of goodness out there, and they want their parishes to be strong, not just for themselves, but for their children and for generations that will come after them.
When we raise funds like that in the parish, it's the only really big fundraiser we have. So this year we raised about $40,000, and it was enough to totally renovate this kitchen and to get us on the path to making the wheelchair ramps and things bigger for the modern wheelchairs and issues that are occurring in people's lives today. So we're very proud of everything. It's most welcoming now, most welcoming.